This is the PC that I had built in 2019, and it has been out of commission for the longest time because mostly I was busy with work, never got the time to actually play with the PC I built. So what we're gonna do now is, currently I don't have the cables for it. I'm searching them through here and I actually found the two which I think would work. So I'm gonna plug that in and then power it up, install all the security updates, and then take it for a spin. So let's go. Okay, so this is the cable that I have, HDMI to HDMI. I have to plug it here and then plug it to the back of the TV, which is on the other side. I'm not sure if this is going to be enough because I think the length is going to be a problem, but we'll try. Let's give it a shot. Now, if I take it to the back of the TV, obviously, that's the main problem at the moment. Okay, so the HDMI cable is connected. Now, just to power it, we have to connect this cable. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna try to connect that. Okay. That's connected. I just need to plug this in. I'm not sure where to plug this because the cable box is on the other side. So the cable box is right here. I'm not sure if I can, but let me unplug something. I'm taking one of the plugs out. Okay, this is out. Let's just pray that this is long enough. Okay. It seems to be. Okay. Okay, I can see something light up. What I might need to do now is connect the keyboard and maybe also the mouse. So I have this Logitech MX Master 3, so I'm gonna use that. Cable is not going to be long enough, but we don't need it to be. We just want to power everything and install the security updates for the moment. That's all that matters to me at this stage. Gosh, I pressed on the button and it powered. So, okay, at least we know it powers on. It seems that the fans are doing good. So what we're doing now is we change the HDMI settings in the TV. Now we're just going to, continue on with the software updates. As you can see there, the PC is powered on and it seems to be working because it opened the lock screen. So let's just try that. Okay, so what I need to do now is, because I don't have the Wi-Fi modem, I lost it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect the Ethernet port so that at least I have internet as well. It's a pretty long cable. So it turns out that this cable, the Ethernet port, is not working because there is a flap that's missing. So this is useless. I do have another one, but I'm just worried about the length. So let me try to see if that fits or that is big enough. It's right here and hopefully this works, hopefully. Let's try this one. Okay, that fit, it snapped. Seems to be long enough. Okay, that snapped as well. The internet connection, I still don't see it change. Should, but it's not. You can see there on the corner, the symbol still shows the symbol of no internet. Let me try and check the main source. Cool, as you can see there, the internet is now on because I've connected it to the right port on the main source. So now let's continue on with the setup. I haven't started this since 3 years, but it should be good. Let's go to settings, and then let's go to system, go to software, check for updates. let's also check internet speed. Fast.com. Okay, it's not too bad, the internet speed. It's okay. It could be better. I should be getting 110 or something. So, but that's fine. So we have a couple of the updates. Let's just do download and install. Restart now. Let's restart. Okay, it has started. Let's go to check for updates. So what's happening at the moment is I'm completely factory resetting the PC that I built, because since 2019 I hadn't been using this, so I just realized after opening it up that it has a lot of junk. So I want to start fresh. After wiping everything, I'm only gonna install what I need and then gonna start using it mostly for games and everything. So yeah, it's happening right now. After a fresh install of the Windows, the PC is finally on. I've also installed my choice of browser as well as my password manager, so there is nothing to be done for the moment. I am yet to install all my games, but today I just wanted to power this PC up after 3 years and install all the security updates, which I have done so. Now the room is pretty much all a mess, as you can see here, cables and everything. I have to fix all that up. You know, now that all the security updates, etc. has been done, I was thinking back to myself when I built this PC in 2018. I just realized I got the Call of Duty Modern Warfare or something, and then I finished that in about less than a week or so, and then I basically stopped playing with the PC. I didn't even use it because I had my Mac, and the only time I was using my PC back then when I had built it was just to game. And after finishing Call of Duty and maybe 1 or maximum 2 games of Counter-Strike with my friends, that was it. I stopped playing, I stopped even using the PC, and it was in the corner collecting dust. So it really feels good now that I have actually revived it, installed all the security updates, and it no longer will collect dust because I will make some time to actually game and use the PC that I worked so hard to build back in 2018. So yeah, it's been really good. Hopefully the GPU etc. does not give me some performance issues, because now there's like 40 series GPU out there. My GPU is like RTX 2070 Super, which is not bad in terms of like GPU performance etc. It can play majority of the game still without any issues. So maybe in the future slowly I'll look towards upgrading the GPU and CPU as well, because the CPU as well, it's Intel i7 7th generation or something, and now the 13th generation is out. So I'm pretty far behind, but I don't think I need an upgrade right this second. So I will continue to use it, and maybe after a couple of months, if I really start to struggle with performance and everything, maybe then I will consider it. I might not consider at all, but yeah, I just wanted to do this, and I feel really good that I did this today. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace.